Today, CVS announcing it has finished the first round of vaccinations at 8,000 skilled nursing facilities nationwide. Janelle Fort takes a look at the Texas picture.
For weeks, Texas Governor Greg Abbott and two pharmacies, CVS and Walgreens, have gone back and forth about vaccination distribution. Just last week, the governor called out the pharmacy giants for moving too slowly getting COVID-19 shots to the most at-risk Texans. The state allocated 487,500 doses to administer to nursing homes and long-term care centers. A partnership with the two pharmacy companies and the federal government was supposed to streamline those efforts. Metrics show the process is lagging. Last week, the Texas Department of State Health Services said only 26% of those doses had actually been administered. But in a release this morning, CVS says it's on track. The pharmacy says it's partnered with approximately 2,000 long-term care facilities across the state. It divides them into two categories: skilled nursing facilities and assisted living facilities. So far, CVS says it's administered the first doses for all 581 skilled nursing facilities, and second doses are underway. The company says it should finish giving the first dose to the 1,431 assisted living facilities by the end of this week. Both feats, the company says, are in line with its deadline to be done with its first round of distribution by today. Janelle Ford, KHOU 11 News.
And for more information, just text the word vaccine to 713-526-1111. We'll send you links back to track vaccine supplies in your area.